So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBPJPY. So we are going to be taking a look at what market is actually going to be giving us for the day. So first thing first, those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you don't yet subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, let's start with this analysis right here on our GBPJPY. Remember, guys, these are the two rules of trading we are going to be following. We are going to make use of these two rules of trading. The first rule of trading is very simple. Know your trend. Second rule of trading is trade with the trend. That is what we'll be following. These are the two rules of trading we are going to be following. First, we need to know our trend. Second, we have to trade with the trend. Now, when you zoom it out, what can you say the trend is on your GBPJPY? Remember, there are three movements in markets. It's either market is trending to the upside, or market is trending to the downside, or market is literally ranging. These are the three movements you're most likely going to find in the market. It's either market is trending to the upside, or it is trending to the downside, or market is literally ranging. Now, when you take a look at this GBPJPY, you will clearly see that market is trending to the upside right here. Market is very much trending to the upside. We are very much in a bullish market move right here. So, market did push up to form an high. Here's a pullback that formed an higher low right here. Market then was able to rally up to form a new higher high. This is the pullback that came to form an higher low right here. It came to form an higher low, right? Market eventually pushed up again to form a new higher high that took out this previous high right here. You can see that market formed a new higher high that took out this previous high. Here is the pullback, which is an higher low right here. So market has given us a pullback, which is an higher low. So with that movement, right, we should be expecting market to push up to its able to form a new high, thereby taking out this previous high. So a bullish move is what we'll be expecting next on our GBPJPY. So we'll be expecting that movement to the upside. So if you can go in for the buy and hold your buy position till market is able to tap this resistance zone, you will be making nothing less than you will grab between 300 pips. 300 pips is very sure for you. If you can just go in for the buy once the market opens, you go in for your buy and hold your buy position till it is able to tap this resistance zone, right? You would make between 300 pips, right? So this is to tell you that a movement to the upside is what you should be expecting. Now, take a look at this. This has also given us a confluence. You can see that it started at 10 period simple moving average, right? When market tapped this 10 period simple moving average here, guess what market did? Market bounced up. It's pulled back again, tapped this at 10 period simple moving average. Guess what market did? Market bounced up again. So market eventually has now come back and we'll see it come close to tap at 10 period simple moving average, which means market has bounced up, right? Now that market has given us a pullback from this 10 period simple moving average and market has come to tap, we should be expecting market to actually bounce up and push up. So this is to tell you that a movement to the upside is what you should be expecting next on our GBPJPY. Now let's go down to the forward time frame. This is a multiple rejection right here. Multiple rejection, right? Usually market to push up, right? So if in case market pulls back, right, we would expect market to push up again. So it's going to form a new high, thereby completely taking out side. Above all, a movement to the upside is what you should be expecting. Now, guys, I want you guys to know something also. Have this in mind, make your buyers flexible. Just in case if market just tap the support level, just in case. If market just tap the support level, then you can go in for your buy down because of tap this resistance level. Above all, a bullish move for the day is what you should be expecting on our GBPJPY.